Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to manipulate data in Spark, only to hit a wall with your code? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're on a deadline. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're solving a common issue in Spark Scala applications. I totally get it. You're working with a data frame and you want to add a number of days to a date column, but you're running into issues with the functions available. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Spark. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to add a days column to a current date column in their data frame using the dateAdd function. They found that dateAdd only accepts integer values, not columns. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? The dateAdd function is designed to work with integer values, which means you can't directly pass a column of integers. This can be a common hurdle when manipulating dates in Spark, but don't worry, we'll explore some alternatives. And make sure you stay with me until the end. I've got a great workaround that will help you achieve your goal without any headaches. To address the user's issue, we need to ensure that the days column is treated as an integer. First, the user should cast the days column to an integer type before using it in the dateAdd function. Next, if the user is still encountering issues, they can use the XPR function to perform the addition directly within the DataFrame API. This allows for more flexibility with column operations. Additionally, the user can also consider using the add months function if they are working with months instead of days. However, for adding days, the dateAdd function is the most appropriate. Finally, the user should verify the output by displaying the new data frame. This will help confirm that the new date column has been added correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Spark was originally developed at UC Berkeley's AMP Lab? It has come a long way since then, becoming one of the most popular big data processing frameworks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by a user involves creating a custom user-defined function, or UDF, to perform the date arithmetic. This UDF takes a date string and an integer representing the number of days to add, and it returns the new date as a string. To use this UDF, you can create a data frame and apply the UDF to add a new column with the calculated date. The example shows how to create a data frame and use the UDF to generate the new date. Here's a pro tip. Always check the documentation for functions like dateAdd. Understanding how they work can save you a lot of time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to add days to your date column without any issues. Remember, exploring different functions and their capabilities is key to mastering Spark. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.